A worker was transporting materials when another worker behind him asked for way, but the one in front drove the forklift too fast, making sharp, zigzag movements. He lost control and crashed into the worker behind him, causing a serious injury. This was a major mistake by the front operator. Remember, never speed with a forklift. Sharp turns and unstable driving lead to loss of control and serious accidents. A street vendor was preparing sugarcane juice at her stand. Everything seemed normal until the press machine suddenly malfunctioned. While trying to fix it, she leaned in and, in a moment of distraction, her clothing or hair got caught in the rotating part. The situation turned dangerous instantly. Never approach moving machinery without proper guarding. Stay focused around rotating equipment and avoid loose clothing or unrestrained hair. Everything seemed normal in a workshop in Tatarstan. In 2020, a 56-year-old worker tried to repair a lathe. He had no protective gear and took no safety measures. The machine wasn't fully shut off, only idle. Suddenly, the lathe started running during the repair, and this lack of caution led to a severe outcome. Never approach a machine without protective equipment. Always ensure the machine is fully powered off before repairing it. Even small, overlooked details can lead to serious consequences. In a busy warehouse, a forklift operator reversed without seeing the worker behind him and hit him. Other workers warned him, but it was already too late. A simple mirror check or looking back could have prevented the accident. Never forget to check the mirrors when operating a forklift. In crowded areas, someone may be behind you at any moment. Careful and attentive driving saves lives.